This video is a brief tutorial on how to look up your child's academic progress in PowerSchool. The middle school has transitioned to standards reference reporting for all courses this year. So how you look up your student's academic progress may be a little bit different than what you're used to in years past. There are two screens where you can find academic information on specific courses your child is enrolled in. There's the quick lookup screen and the standards grades screen. The quick lookup screen will be the screen that you see first when you log into PowerSchool. It contains all of the courses your child is enrolled in along with their instructor name. Courses are set up either by semester, which is S1 and S2, or by mini course, which is M1, M2, and so on. In the past, right here, you may have seen a letter grade and a percentage score. Those are no longer available. Now what you'll see is an I. That I means there is information there for you to look at. So go ahead and click on the I. After clicking on the I, you'll get into the child's grade book for a particular class. Right now we are in English with Mrs. Veru, 7th grade. Anywhere you see a blue rectangle with a caret, there means there's a standard attached to this particular assignment, which is grade vocabulary quiz. And the standard that was being assessed is Language 06, Gather Vocabulary Knowledge when Considering a Word or Phrase, and the student score is a 4. Here we have another rectangular box, click on that, and a different standard is attached. This is Reading Literature 10 for 7th grade, a standard score of 3. Pay close attention to the legend at the bottom. Anywhere there is a symbol, there's something in the legend that it attaches to. If a child has a missing assignment, it would be flagged up here with an exclamation point. If assignment is put in the gradebook but excluded, it would have this asterisk under the flag. Anywhere where you see this little I, there means there's more information can be found. So click on View. That view tells you in a different box that the vocabulary quiz for the story 7th grade by Gary Soto. When you close that box, you can open up another box that gives you information on that particular assignment. Not all assignments or assessments will have information included, but most do. And if your child is asked to reassess or retake, you may see that the score is in a different color, with also information noting that it was a retake or a reassessment. Pay close attention to the legend at the bottom. This provides you a lot of information about whether or not your student is handing in assignments on time, things have been collected, or if something has been excluded from the gradebook. This is very important to help you understand how the gradebook works within PowerSchool. The other screen that you can look at is the Standards Grade screen. Click on the Standards Grades tab. This will be similar to what your child's report card will look like. Right now, we had just looked up the grade book in English 7. Now we're going to look at student standard scores. Standard scores are listed per standard and how the standards are calculated. Right now we're early in the school year, so there aren't a whole lot of scores in for standards, but we saw standard RL10 and standard L6 had both been assessed. These scores might be scored throughout the school year or semester several different times. What PowerSchool will do is collect the mode score, the score that occurs most for a particular student. And this score gives you the level of proficiency for a student. A 3 is proficient, a 4 is at the mastery level on a specific standard. This really provides you the information on where your child is at with a specific skill or standard within a course. And this is the screen that will be most similar to the report card you will see for your child. A 1 means that the student needs more support in that area, and if they received a 2, it means they're reaching proficiency but still have more to learn. If you have any questions about how to look up your child's grades or information in PowerSchool, please don't hesitate to contact Brent Meyer, Middle School Principal at Monticello Schools.